So this is the chapter 7, lesson 4. It's the last lesson of this chapter. It's gone by really quick. So there's that. So this should not be a long video either. So we're going to get our selection tool active. We're going to be still using the same file that we did last time. You make sure you get your selection tool, and we're going to click this diagonal line right here. So just make sure you're actually clicking the line. Yeah, grab the path up there. And then we're going to click the type on the path tool. So if you look under your T, you find type on a path. Alright. And then we're going to position it over the yellow line until a plus sign appears under it. So like right in there. So that means we're going to be typing on that. And we click it. And we're going to type happy in all lowercase letters. So happy. Okay. And then we're going to double click happy. Double click happy. And we're going to change the font to impact. Impact. Lost my point. Font size to 60 and the fill color to paper. Font size to 60, the fill color to paper. Okay, we're going to get our selection tool and then click the text. Okay. The fill button on the tools panel changes to none, and the stroke button changes to yellow because those are the attributes of the line that it's positioned on, not the type itself. We're going to change the stroke color to none. Okay. And then we're going to position the word happy in the middle. So we're going to put it, we're going to click, we're going to bring happy, right along, right in there, ish, kind of center it right there. Alright. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to press and hold shift and option. We're going to drag a copy of the word. So if we do shift and option, while we have that selected, we're going to be able to drag a copy of it down. So you see how I did that? Okay. Alright, and we're going to get our type on the path tool, double click happy, the second happy, and we're going to type Halloween. So we're going to get the type on the path tool. You get double click right here, and we're going to type Halloween. And we're going to get your selection tool, and we're going to have to move it around so it actually fits. So the H's will be right up under each other. So I'm just going to, and they should probably be a little closer. So like right in there-ish. Okay. Next we're going to get the selection tool. So get your selection tool. You're going to click the happy text. So click happy. Click type on the menu bar and go to create outline. So type and create outlines. And so what that does is it converts it from text to an outlined object, or like just an object in general. So we're going to do the same thing to Halloween. So object, create outlines. Oops, type create outlines. There. Alright, so now we're going to get our direct selection tool, which is A on your keyboard. And so you see whenever we hover over this, there's a ton of little anchor points. So that's now an object, no longer text. Same for happy. Okay, so we're going to click off of everything. We're going to get our actual selection tool back. We're going to click the word happy. And file and place, or Command D. And we're going to place the blue clouds on that. And then we're going to go to fitting and fit content to frame. Okay. And then we're going to deselect all. Verify that the selection tool is selected. So I do have that selected. I've selected my pasteboard. I'm going to click the orange clouds graphic. Visible as a triangle. So I'm going to click this one right here. So just like click this little bit right there. And go to edit and copy. So edit, copy, or you can do Command C, and then we're going to click the word Halloween, and then we're going to click edit, and then paste into. So paste into. So that's two different ways that you can paste a graphic and make it take the shape of your text right there. So that'll be really useful when you guys are replicating stuff here shortly. Dum, 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 dum. So that's kind of what it should look like at this point. And if you want to move your happy up, I'm going to move mine up a little bit so it's like pretty clear that that's like happy. Huh? I was going to say, she is yelling. And that is it for this lesson. So you are done with chapter 7. So just screenshot right here. I should be able to see that you have placed that right there. And that's the file you turn in.